Hello everyone and welcome to day 61 of our quarantine workout series. Today we're doing a thunder lightning workout, which is each exercise is going to be 1 minute. It's 30 seconds of our strength, 30 seconds of our cardio, then we'll get a little break, then we'll do that again, and we have 6 rounds, and we're going to do that, go through 3 times. Alright, so let's get started. Shake everything out. Let's start with some lunges. So we're going to lunge forward, to the side, and to the back. Just warming up those legs. Forward, side, back. Keep going forward. If that forward lunge bothers you, just do a back lunge. That's fine. Back. If it bothers your knees at all, just go straight back. 2 more times. Forward, side, big step, and back. Last one right here. Forward, side, and back. Other side, same thing. Forward, side, get those legs ready to go. Back, whoops, fall over. Forward, side, back. Halfway, 3 more. 3, side, big step side. Get that nice inner thigh stretch. If you did the workout yesterday, or number 60, you might need that inner thigh stretch. I know I do. Last one right here. Forward and those hip flexors. Side and back. Nice. All right, let's start standing. Hinge at those hips. Slight bend in the knee. Nice hamstring stretch right here. Come down to the floor. Walk it all the way out. We're going to touch that shoulder right. Well, left and right arms. Walk it right back. Touch those toes, right back out. Nice hamstring stretch, shoulders right below those, or wrists right below those shoulders. Right back in. 2, right back out. 3, back out. Nice plank, lock that belly button in. Warm up those arms and abs. 2 more times. Walk it out. Last one right here. Walk it back. Nice, come all the way back up. All right, let's do some leg jumps. We're going side to side, hops. Then side to side, getting those ankles ready for some jumping. So there is some jumping in this one. For those cardio rounds, low impact. I'll show some low impact options as well. Keep going. Let's go forward and back. Ten seconds. 5, 3, 2, and 1. All right, let's get started. So first one, I'll go through them as we go, but the first one is going to be a step to the side squat. So it's feet together. We're going to step right, both feet are forward. It's a squat, back up, step left, squat. So it's not a side lunge. It's just a step hip width apart, squat, bring those feet together, step, squat. All right, and then that's for 30 seconds. Then we're going to be out in that squat position. We're going to keep it low, and we're going to just hop those feet in and out right here. All right, for our lightning round. I got to get my timer set up, get ready, grab a drink, and we are going to start in 5, 4, 3, 2, let's go. So step, squat, step, squat. Yeah, sink low, sink way back on those heels. Squeeze those glutes as we come up. Nice, keep going. You have 10 seconds. 5, 3, 2, leave those legs out wide, hop it in and out. Do not let that head come up any. So you're staying low in that squat, just hopping those legs. Option is to step in and out. Come on. I know it should be burning here. This is your lightning round. Keep going. In and out, quick. You have 10 seconds to go. You can pick up that pace if you can, but just try to keep low. 5, 3, 2, and 1. All right, take a break. Shake out your legs. We're gonna come down into that low plank. So all you're doing here is you're gonna hold that plank for 30 seconds, and then we're gonna go high plank, low plank, up, downs. Ready? You still have 5 seconds to rest. I know it doesn't seem too bad in the first round, but the second round you'll need that break. Bring it up. Plank. Just hold it right here. Shoulders down and back. Really focus on drawing those elbows back towards those toes. Remember, this is your thunder round. You want to focus on the strength here. Nice deep breath. Keep it going. You have 10 seconds. We're going back to that tall plank and then back to that low plank for 30. Squeeze those glutes. Ready? In 3, 2, 1, go. Don't let those hips move. So high plank, low plank. Up and down. Lightning round. Let's go. Pick it up. Nice. You're halfway there. You can alternate those arms. Keep going. Less than 10. Don't let those hips go side to side. 3, 2, 1. Bring it up. All right, catch your breath. Next round, we are going lunges. So just a step back right, step back left, and then it's that split squat jump. Alternating. Ready? In 5, 3, 2, 1. So it's just step back, nice and easy. Lunge. If you don't want to jump these lunges, try and get that knee to the floor, drive through that heel. If you don't want to jump them, you can stay here, or you can just try and pick up that pace a little bit. Keep going. Come on, 10 seconds before we're jumping. In 5, 3, 2, go. Split squat jump. Come on, get low, get high. Use those arms. Get some air under those feet if you can. You are over halfway. Let's go. Pick it up. Last 10 seconds. 5, 3, 2, 1. Break. All right, shake out those legs. So next round, we have that side lunge. Just a right side, left side. And then we're gonna do a skater with a hop at the end. Skater with a hop. Ready? In 3, 2, go. Big step to the side. Power lunge. Drive through that heel. Catch your breath a little here. Deep breath in through the nose, out through the mouth. Keep going, big step. Nice, you have 10 seconds. 5, 3, 2, 1, go. Skater, hop at the end, skater. If you don't like that hop at the end, just go right to that skater. Make it big. Nice, come on, almost 10 seconds. Big hop. 5, 3, 2, 1. Awesome job. All right, we have a plank, knee to elbow. So we're gonna hold that plank down, bring that right knee, touch that elbow, left knee, touch that elbow. Then we go to mountain climbers. Ready? In 5. Wrist below those shoulders. Bring it up. Let's go. Knee. Use those obliques. Crunch it in. Nice. Focus on that core, those abs. 10 seconds. We're going to those fast mountain climbers as fast as you can. In 5, 3, 2, go. Mountain climbers, quick. Come on, knees in. Last 20 right here. Keep it going, come on. Finish it, last 10. 5, 3, 2, and 1. Break. All right. Back to those air squats. Touch the floor. So touch the floor right to the ceiling, and then we're doing those squat jumps. This is our last one in this round. We get a little breather after this. Grab a drink. In 5, 4, 3, 2, go. Down to the floor, to the ceiling. Keep that chest lifted, so I don't want to see this. Chest stays up, sinking through those legs. Drive through those heels. 20 seconds, we're going to those jump squats. Squeeze everything on the way up. Come on, last 10. 5, 3, 2, go. Down to the floor, up. Come on, get some air under, big. Remember, you do not need to jump. You can come to your tippy toes. Low impact. Come on, 20 seconds, finish strong. Get a breather. After this one. In 10 seconds. 5, 2, and 1. Nice job, shake it out. All right, grab a drink. 1 minute to recover. We're going through again. Now you guys know what we're doing. Try and pick it up a little bit. Try and go just a little bit harder. We are starting in 30 seconds. Catch your breath. I want you to be fully recovered. Next round, I want you to go harder than that first round. So first one, step, squat, in, step, squat. All right, feet together. 15 seconds. In through the nose, out through the mouth. 10 seconds. In 5, 3, 2, go. Might get low. Squat together. Down. Nice. Keep going. You have 10 seconds left. We're going to leave those legs out in that squat. In 5, leave them out wide. 3, 2, 1. Go. Hop it in and out. Fast. Don't let that head move up. If you're going here, then I don't care. Slow down those legs. Come on, in and out. Let's go. Sit way back in those heels. 10 seconds. Come on, 5, 3, 2, 1. Break. All right, we have that low plank. Hold. Ready? Starting in 10. So make sure those elbows are right underneath those shoulders. Feet are out wide. In 5, 3, 2, 1. Go. Hold it up. All right, everyone really focus here on drawing those elbows towards those toes. Hips are above that heart, but not too high. You're just pulling that belly button in as hard as you can to that spine. Shoulders down and back. Try and bring those heels right over those toes. 10 seconds here. We're going to up downs. In 5. High plank, low plank. 3, 2, go. High plank, low plank. Don't let those hips shift. Try and pick up that pace a little bit. Come on, 20 seconds. Alternate those arms. Last 10. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Break. All right. Next one, lunges. All right, step back lunge, alternating. 10 seconds, shake out those legs. Alternate that right and left. Ready? Starting in 5, 3, 2, go. Right, touch that knee to the floor. Drive through that front heel. All right, it's coming down just a little bit, but don't worry, we're gonna bring it right back up with those split squat jumps or lunge jumps. 15 seconds. Come on, I want power in these jumps. Get it low and then fly it to the ceiling in 10 seconds. Power in those legs. 5, 3, 2, go. Big. Come on, get that knee to the floor though still. Keep them low. Let's get some air under those feet. Come on, 20 seconds. Finish it. This is your halfway one. Let's go, 10. 5, 3, 2, 1, break. All right, shake out those legs. Side lunge, and that skater with that knee hop on the end. Catch your breath, 10 seconds. So lunge side to side, ready? In 5, 3, 2, go. Big side lunge. Get low, sit way back behind that heel. Remember that skater with that inside knee that hops up. All right, if you want, or just do a skater if you're like, that's a little complicated. 10 seconds. 5, 3, 2, 1, go. So big skater, knee hop, big. Come on, try and get high with that knee. Up to the ceiling, reach. Hop it wide with those skaters. Come on, 10 seconds. 5, 3, 2, 1, break. All right, we have that plank with that knee to elbow. So, big plank, screw those arms in, eyes of those elbows forward, wrist below those shoulders. Starting in 5, come up into that plank, 3, 2, 1. Knee right to that elbow, touch that elbow. Try and get that tricep if you can. Get that knee a little higher. Come on, second time through. Best one. Better than that first. 10 seconds. Only one more after this. 5, 3, 2, 1, go. Fast mountain climbers, fast as you can. Pull that belly button and use those abs. Come on, you are halfway, let's go. 10 seconds. 5, 3, 2, 1, break. All right, squat to the floor, touch that floor, right up to the ceiling. Catch your breath, deep breath. Come on, last one in this round. Then we get a little breather. Starting in 5, fingertips to the floor, keep that chest lifted, shoulders down and back. 3, 2, 1. Down, right up, squeeze those glutes. Drive through those heels, so you're lifting those toes, so you're not leaning forward at all. You're sitting back in that squat. Then we're gonna finish off with 30 seconds of those squat jumps in 10 seconds. Come on, down and up. Squeeze, you have 5, 3, 2, ceiling. Come on, reach, make it high. Come on, you know you get a long break after this. Let's go, power, 20 seconds. Touch that ceiling. Land nice and light on those toes. You have 10. 5, 3, 2, 1, break. All right, catch your breath. A little break here. Come on, nice breather. We have 1 round to go. In through the nose, out through the mouth. Grab a drink if you need to. You have 30 more seconds to recover before that last round. All right. You guys did your warm-up round. You did your round. You're working a little harder. Let's make this one as hard as you can because you are done in less than 8 minutes. All right. Deep breath in through the nose, out through the mouth. 10 seconds. Starting with that squat, step side to side. In 5, 3, 2, go. So just hip width apart. That one was a little far. Hip width apart. Sit right back on that heel. Those heels. Squeeze those glutes as you come up. All right, remember we're taking those legs out and we're gonna hop it in and out. I don't care how fast, how slow. Just keep that head down so you're staying low in that squat. 5 seconds. 3, 2, 1, go. In and out. Come on, quick. A little faster than you did that last round. A little lower than you did that last round. Come on. This is it. 20, less than 20. Less than 10. Let's go. 9. Come on. Sink low. 5, 3, 2, 1. Break. All right. Next one. Plank. High plank, low plank. We're holding that plank to start. Elbows right under those shoulders. Deep breath in, starting in 8 seconds. 5, 3, 2, 1. Go. Hold it. Shoulders down and back. Draw those elbows to those toes. Really make this plank work. I want those abs shaking at the end of this. Come on, 20 seconds. Go into those high lows. Come on, draw those elbows. Pull those elbows towards those toes. I'm shaking. 10 seconds. Pull that belly button in. Come on, don't get lazy in this. Make every muscle work. 5, 3, 2, go. All the way up, right back down. As fast as you can without letting those hips move. So if those hips are going side to side, slow it down. It's all about that form. If you're going too fast and the form's not right, you are not getting the benefits you would be. And you are spending so much time doing this and hard work, you want to get those benefits. Come on, 5 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Bring it up. All right, we have lunges. Step back lunge. Ready? Get your breath. 10 seconds. Regular step back in 5, 3, 2, 1. Step back, knee to the floor. Come on, drive through that front heel. Remember how I said at the beginning, you'll need that 20 seconds in between. May not have thought it at first, right? Split squat jumps. Remember, this is your halfway one. In 10 seconds. After this one, we are halfway through that last round. 5, 3, 2, go. Make it big. Make it light on those feet. You don't want to hear those feet. Come on, get that back knee low. 20 seconds. Power, let's go. Last 10. Last 5. Come on, push through it. I know those legs are burning. 2, 1, break. All side lunge. Catch your breath. You have 10 seconds. Lunges side to side. Shake it out. In 5, 3, 2, 1. Go. Big step. Side to side. I'm on 3 minutes of work left. Let's go. Right to the end. From here, remember we go those skaters with that knee hop at the end if you want. If you just can't register that and you feel like it's slowing you down, get rid of that knee hop. 5 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Go. Big. Come on. Push it. Try and find that line on the floor. Try and get a little further each time. Last 10. 5, 3, 2, 1. Break. Shake it off. Plank, knee to elbow. Come on, 2 minutes. So plank, really use those obliques. Use that side, crunch it in. Turn those eyes and those elbows forward. Ready, in 4. Come up into that plank. 3, 2, go. Try and get that knee up to that tricep, a little higher. Use those obliques. 20. 10 seconds. 5, 3, 2, 1, go. Mountain climbers, quick. Come on, fast feet. Less than a minute and a half to go. Work. Let's go. 20 seconds. Last 10. Come on, pick up that pace. Run those feet. 5, 3, 2, 1. Break. Whew. All right. Squat to the floor. Hands touch that floor. Last minute in 10 seconds. Come on, best one. Let's get to that ceiling as high as you can. 5, chest lifted. 3, 2, go. Down to the floor, up. Drive through those heels. 20, and we are going into those squat jumps. Squeeze those glutes at the top. You might keep that chest lifted. If you have something written on your shirt, I want to be able to see it. 5 seconds. 3, 2, go. Down to the floor. Lift. Come on, power. Big. Nice light landing on those feet though. Don't make those feet heavy. 20 seconds to go to the end. Push it. 10 seconds. 5, 3, 2, 1. Break. All right. Awesome job. Grab a drink. Let's stretch. Nice work, everyone. Whew. Haven't done a thunder lightning in a while. I like those. Whew. Deep breath. Shake everything out. Let your heart rate come down a little. All right, let's step that left foot forward, right foot back. Tilt that tailbone under so you feel that hip flexor and reach up and across with that right hand. I know my heart rate's still up too. Nice deep breathing. Come on up, grab that quad, or grab that ankle, not the foot, because you don't want any pressure on that ankle. Grab that ankle, press that knee to the floor, and press into that hand. You really feel that quad stretch. Step that leg right over that left. Come down, touch the floor. If you can, or just hang out here. But either way, let your head hang down. Use your head as a weight. Try and get you a little closer to the floor. Slowly, very slowly, come up. I don't want anyone getting dizzy. Nice and slow, come up. Take that left leg back. Tilt that hip bone under. Drive that hip flexor forward. Take that left arm, reach it up and over. Bring that in. Come up, grab that ankle for that quad stretch. We work those quads a lot today. Stretch them out. And cross that right over the other side. Come down, touch that floor. Slowly, take your time. Roll one vertebrae at a time. Roll out those shoulders. Let's take those arms behind, clasp the hands. Give the front of the shoulders a little stretch. And release, deep breath in. Stretch over to the left, or to the right, your left. And other side. Bring that down. Awesome work today, everyone. Thanks for joining me.